If PayPal is not sending a verification code, follow these troubleshooting steps. Check your email and phone number. Make sure your email address or phone number linked to your PayPal account is correct. If there's a typo or outdated contact information, update it in your account settings. Check spam or junk folders. Sometimes, PayPal's verification code email can end up in your spam or junk folder. Check these folders and mark the email as not spam if you find it there. Resend the verification code. On the verification page, click Resend Code. Wait a few minutes and check again for the code via email or SMS. Ensure you're using the correct country code. When entering your phone number, make sure you've selected the correct country code for your region. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it temporarily as it might cause issues with PayPal's verification process. Clear cache or try a different browser. Clear your browser's cache and cookies or try using a different browser or device. Contact PayPal support. If you still don't receive the code, contact PayPal customer support for assistance.